Hey everybody, Mrs. K here. So this week we are reviewing the element of art, value, and I'm going to teach you how to do a value scale. So a value scale is kind of like a tool that artists use to help them make a lot more complicated pictures. So learning how to do this will really help you out next year or the year after as you continue drawing more and more complicated things. So our value scale is going to be a rectangle. So I drew a big rectangle on my paper. I'm going to trace it with Sharpie just so you can see it a little bit clearer. So I have this big rectangle, and I'm going to split it into, let's say, 5 sections. So I'm going to kind of split it. Let's just 6. Let's do 4. Okay. I'm going to split it in half. And then do you see this area? I'm going to draw another line in the middle. And this area here, I'm going to draw a line in the middle. Perfect. So now let's number them. Let's do 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you have more than 4, you can add more numbers. And we're going to draw this from light all the way to dark, because that's what value in art class means. It's light to dark. So, or dark and light. Versions of the same color. So number 1 is going to be my lightest color. I'm just going to color this a little bit with my pencil. I'm holding it closer to the eraser. And I'm just going to press super, super light and just drag my pencil back and forth. Super light. It's like a ghost. You hardly ever see it. Very, very light. Super soft. Do you see it? Not really, right? That's because it's so light. Then number 2 is going to be a little bit darker. I'm going to hold my pencil a little higher up, closer to the middle of my pencil. And I'm going to drag my pencil back and forth, and it's going to be a little bit darker. Still soft, not pressing hard. But you could see it a little bit more clearly. I'm trying to stay inside the lines of the box. And I just wiggle my pencil back and forth. Can you see it easier? All right. Number 3, I'm going to scooch my fingers up just a little bit more. And I'm going to press a little bit harder. Not super hard, but like how hard you press when you write. I'm going to color in this box with my pencil all the way. All right, so do you see it starting to get darker already? Number 1 was very light, and now it's starting to get darker and darker. This one's going to be the darkest. I'm going to scrunch my fingers up till it's almost at the tip, and I'm going to press hard with my pencil. And I don't want to leave any white spaces because it'll make it look lighter, scribbly. We want to color it in all the way. And there you have it. It goes light to dark, just like we said it would. The lightest color gets a little darker, a little bit more darker, and then really dark. Good job drawing our value scales today, guys. I'll see you next time.